Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you have a pixelated video that you would like to enhance into an HD or 4K quality? I have personally tried a few software solutions, but so far, it's CapCut that made it a lot easier and faster to get a high-quality result. In this video, I will show you how I used CapCut to transform low-quality videos into high-resolution output. Let's go. Actually, there are two different ways you can use CapCut to upscale low-resolution videos to higher quality formats. However, note that both methods require a pro subscription. If you're always editing using this software, subscribing to the pro version should be a worthwhile investment, and it's cost-effective compared to other professional video editing software, like Premiere Pro. Click the link in the description box below to get a discounted rate on your CapCut Pro subscription. To get started, create a new CapCut project and add your video to the timeline. The first way to produce higher quality video from your original one is to apply the 4K filter to the entire clip to instantly improve the resolution. For further enhancement, try combining this filter with Enhance or Clear. Note, however, that this method may have limitations when working with heavily pixelated source material. In such cases, the next method may be more effective. While the filter method offers a quick visual improvement, CapCut Pro also offers a more powerful tool, the Video Upscaler, which you can access at capcut.com/tools/AI-video-upscaler. This online tool uses AI to effectively enhance low-resolution video, restore old footage, and more. Soon after you upload your video, the AI tool automatically upscales it to double its original resolution for better quality. To begin the resolution upgrade, click the Upscale button. Once complete, use the See Original button to compare the enhanced video to your original file. If the results impress you, click Export to download the improved video to your computer. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.